Text. Who created a more diverse world to play? It's her, a young woman wearing braids.
Gaming literally saved my life as a kid, and I want to pay that forward. Coexist Gaming is a place that honors gaming culture and empowers our members to embrace their talents.
Who wrote the code for inclusivity? It's her, them. They have cat-eye glasses, earrings, lipstick, and a blouse.
If you aren't innovating with a lens of empathy and vulnerability, you aren't going to see the full picture. We have the responsibility to design for everyone.
Who took down barriers for thousands? It's her, an older woman, gray hair and glasses.
Everyone should have the right to be literate in any country that they're living in. So at 89, I had to learn technology so that I could help others achieve their dreams.
Florence Phillips.
My name is Florence Phillips. I am the founder of the English Language Learners Program.
Ana Ariola.
My name is Ana. My pronouns are they, them, theirs, she, her, hers, and I am a director of product design at Microsoft.
Letta J.
My name is Letta J. I am the co-founder and CEO of Coexist Gaming.
When women rise, we all benefit. Microsoft celebrates International Women's Day. Individual images of women merge to form the red, green, blue, and yellow squares within a square of the Microsoft logo. Empowering change. Microsoft.